Hi everyone, today I want to show you very easy and tasty recipe of vegetable stew. The ingredients you need: potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, pumpkin, turnip and garlic. First of all, I took tomatoes and chopped it. I poured some oil on the pot where we stew vegetables. Then cut all the vegetables one by one. I read about this very tasty recipe in the book by the Russian author, and I decided to cook it and see how delicious it is. I put all the vegetables on pot and put them to stew for 1 hour. And this is what happened in the end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Sorry guys for my bad Russian accent. This is my one of the first videos in the English channel and I hope you understand me well. Thanks for watching and see ya in next video.